slip on the trail. Don't slip on the trail.
Good morning and welcome to day 2 of Rotorua. So this morning we went for a really fun little kayak. It's actually kind of chilly today, so we're all wrapped up warm. After the kayak we jumped in the jacuzzi. Seriously, just like the most jacuzzis I've ever had in my life in the last 2 days. And then after this we're going to go to another jacuzzi, to the Polynesian Spa. But right now we're here in the Redwood forest. They have kind of like a little, like some structures up where you can pay to walk around. I don't think we're going to do it because we've already got a lot of activities planned, so we're just going to have a little walk around the forest. These trees are huge, they're so beautiful. Let's have a look.
In my tadpoles, yeah. Going up, I just had to go crack now on my default. Yeah, that Draco bustin' like free throws. I do not miss no shots, I crack the cheat code. That's why I never lose. They can't predict my moves. I'm way too smooth, I just caught a groove. This right here, that Charizard, the fire in the booth, yeah. Had to go right back to.
Wow, it's just so stunning in here. It's like freezing cold, so my nose and my hands are like super freezing. But then as soon as the sun hits the trees, it just, everything lights up and there's just like hundreds of different colors of green, and it's just so stunning.
Don't step on the trail.
Okay, so now we're on our way to the Polynesian Spa, and I'm so excited to go. I've wanted to go for a really long time. And also we're freezing cold now, so definitely can warm up.
I'm not gonna make you cry now.
Okay, so we just arrived and I can smell it already. It's a distinctive smell, Rotorua. Kind of like eggs.
You didn't think I would find out. Pick a side or fade out. It's no cry in letting your desire show now. We both know you can hold out. And it's plain to see.
Okay, so we just arrived and Linda showed us all around the whole Polynesian Spa and explained to us everything. So, in this area here, it's really awesome because they have, I think it's 5 pools that are alkaline, and that alkaline is actually really good for your skin and beauty. And then over there, there's the acidic pool, which is really good for healing properties. So we're going to hang out in here. This is the lowest temperature one, I think it's 39 degrees, and then it gets hotter and hotter from there. So we're going to start off easy and then we're going to make our way to the acidic pool, which is extremely hot, but then there's a plunge pool and it's like icy cold. So let's see if we're able to do that. I'm gonna try, but I need to get hotter. This is the 42 degrees one, right?
Yeah, 41.
41 degrees. This is actually where the hot water comes in, so maybe we should sit over there. So we were reading when we came in that this is one of the top 10 spas in the world, and I totally believe it because, oh my gosh, just being here like right on the lake is so beautiful, and also it's sunny now. Like, it was like the worst day ever before. I was freezing cold in my jacket and now it's like the most gorgeous day. So that's New Zealand weather for you. If you watched any of our other videos, you would have noticed that at any second it might just rain. Okay, so the other great thing about this is once you get a pass, you can stay in the pools for the entire day. So you can pretty much just like get in, get out, bring your book, they actually have lots of spa treatments too, so they have like massages. They have this one, it has like water jets, and then at the same time it's pumping hot water down at you, and then they're massaging you at the same time. Because of COVID they're not doing that at the moment because they're specialized massage therapists and they haven't been able to keep them on at this time, but I'm so hoping it comes back because I would love to give that a try. They have sort of monthly passes, and so if you do live here you can just come every day, which would be so lucky. I wish I could come here every day. I feel like I haven't been this relaxed in my whole life. Oh yeah, and also they have these private pools which we also just had a look at. They're the only pools that you're actually you don't have to wear togs, a bathing suit, so you can just go in, strip down, sit right by the lake, and apparently there's no boats in the harbour because of the area that it is, and so yeah, don't worry, no one's going to be looking at you. So in 1878 there was this priest that was disabled with arthritis, and they carried him all the way from Tauranga to Rotorua to bathe in the acidic pools, and apparently he bathed for 1 whole week and it completely cured him of his arthritis, and he was able to walk all the way back to Tauranga. And so that's why here at the Polynesian Spa they have a pool called the Priest's Pool. Do you think I should jump in the plunge pool?
Oh yeah.
Here we are at the Blue Springs. We just wanted to show you one more place before we head back to Auckland. So we just stopped off here, and oh my gosh, it's so ridiculously clear. Like, the water is crystal clear and it has this blue tinge to it. It's probably one of the most spectacular things I've ever seen. I wasn't expecting it to be this incredible, but it's so awesome. So the reason for the blue colour and the visual clarity of the blue spring is because of the high optical purity of the water. Pure water is intrinsically blue in hue because it absorbs red light, leaving only blue and some green light to be transmitted to the observer's eye. So basically to get here it's only a 5-minute walk from the car park, and I'm just like so sad that the day is so overcast, because honestly, like, if the sun was shining, this lake would be so gorgeous. Like, it already is, but like it would be even more beautiful. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you want to continue to watch our travel around New Zealand. Hit the like button if you enjoyed the video, and comment down below to say hey. Bye.